Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Improve English Talk. This is a calm place where you can relax, listen, and practice English slowly and clearly.
Hello, Sarah. And hello to all our wonderful friends listening today. We're very happy you're here with us.
Yes, thank you for joining us. Take a deep breath and enjoy this time with us.
There is no pressure here, no rush. Just simple English spoken at a slow pace.
That's right. Today's episode is very special because we're talking about the new year.
The new year, a time for new plans, new goals, and fresh starts.
Yes, many people think about what they want to do in the new year.
They think about their life, their work, and their habits.
And today, we'll help you talk about your new year plans in simple English.
Easy sentences that you can really use.
Before we begin, let's start with a simple question.
Okay,
Mark, do you like the new year?
yes, I do. The new year makes me feel hopeful.
Hopeful. That's a nice feeling.
Yes, it feels like a new beginning.
Do you usually make plans for the new year?
I do, but I like simple plans.
Simple plans are often the best.
Yes, big plans can feel stressful.
That's true.
For the new year, I usually think about small changes,
Like what?
like waking up earlier or being more active.
That's great. Small goals are easier to keep.
Yes, one step at a time.
Now, listeners, did you notice something?
What did you notice?
We used very simple sentences to talk about plans.
Yes, no difficult grammar.
And that's perfect for everyday English.
Now, let's practice together.
I like the new year.
I want to make simple plans.
I think about my goals.
I want to make small changes.
These sentences are easy and very useful.
You can change the words to match your life.
In a moment, we'll talk more about how to plan your new year, step by step.
Yes, simple ideas and easy English.
So stay with us and keep listening. Now, let's continue talking about the new year.
Yes, let's talk about plans and goals.
In English, we often talk about plans using very simple sentences.
Yes, we don't need difficult grammar.
Two very useful phrases are,
What are they?
I want to and I plan to.
Those are very common.
Yes, you can use them to talk about your New Year goals.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Okay,
Sarah, what do you want to do in the new year?
in the new year, I want to be healthier.
Healthier. That's a great goal.
Yes, I want to eat better and move more.
That sounds realistic.
What about you, Mark? What do you want to do next year?
I want to improve my English.
That's perfect.
Yes, I want to practice a little every day.
That's a very good plan.
Now, listeners, did you hear I want to?
Yes, I want to is great for goals and wishes.
Now, let's talk about I plan to.
Okay,
Sarah, what do you plan to do in the new year?
I plan to wake up earlier on weekdays.
That's a clear plan.
Yes, I also plan to use my phone less.
That's a good habit.
And you, Mark? What do you plan to do?
I plan to read more books in English.
That will really help you.
Yes, little by little.
Now, listeners, let's pause and practice together. I want to be healthier.
I want to learn new things.
I plan to wake up earlier.
I plan to practice English.
I plan to make small changes. These sentences are simple and very powerful.
You can use them in many conversations.
And remember, your goals don't need to be big.
Small plans are easier and less stressful.
In a moment, we'll talk about daily habits and routines for the new year.
Yes, simple habits you can really keep.
So stay with us and keep listening. Now, let's talk about daily habits for the new year.
Yes, small habits we do every day.
These habits are part of our daily routine.
And changing small habits can make a big difference.
Let's practice with a simple conversation.
Okay,
Mark, do you want to change any daily habits in the new year?
yes, I do.
What habit do you want to change?
I want to wake up earlier on weekdays.
That's a very common goal.
Yes, waking up early helps me feel less rushed.
That's true.
I also want to use my phone less in the morning.
That's a good habit.
It's not easy, but I want to try.
Trying is the most important part.
What about you, Sarah? Do you want to change any habits?
Yes, I want to start my day more calmly.
How do you want to do that?
I want to drink water, stretch a little, and take my time in the morning.
That sounds very peaceful.
Yes, it helps me feel ready for the day.
Now, listeners, let's pause and notice something.
What did you notice?
We talked about habits using simple sentences.
I want to wake up earlier.
I want to use my phone less.
I want to start my day calmly.
These sentences are easy and very useful.
Now, let's practice together. I want to wake up earlier.
I want to use my phone less.
I want to eat better.
I want to move more.
I want to start my day calmly. These habits are small but powerful.
You don't need many habits at one time.
One or two is enough.
Yes, small steps are easier to keep.
In a moment, we'll talk about talking about the future using very simple English.
Yes, sentences you can use to talk about next year.
So stay with us and keep listening. Now, let's talk about the future.
Yes, the new year is about looking forward.
In English, we often talk about the future using very simple sentences.
Yes, we don't need difficult grammar.
One very useful sentence is,
What is it?
next year, I will...
That's easy and very common.
Yes, you can use it to talk about your plans and hopes.
Let's practice with a conversation.
Okay,
Sarah, what will you do next year?
next year, I will focus on my health.
That's a great plan.
Yes, I will try to eat better and sleep well.
That sounds realistic.
What about you, Mark? What will you do next year?
Next year, I will practice English more often.
That's perfect.
Yes, I will listen and speak a little every day.
Now, listeners, did you notice something?
What did you notice?
We used will to talk about the future.
Yes, will is very helpful.
You don't need to change the verb.
I will learn.
I will practice.
I will try.
Now, let's practice together. Next year, I will wake up earlier.
Next year, I will eat better.
Next year, I will practice English.
Next year, I will exercise more.
Next year, I will take small steps. These sentences are easy and very useful.
You can change them to match your life.
And remember, plans don't need to be perfect.
Trying is enough.
In a moment, we'll put everything together and talk about our New Year plans from start to finish.
Yes, one clear conversation.
So stay with us and keep listening. Now, let's put everything together.
Yes, let's talk about New Year plans from beginning to end.
This is how a real conversation sounds in daily life.
Simple, natural, and relaxed.
Mark, can you tell me about your plans for the new year?
Yes, of course.
I'm listening.
In the new year, I want to make small changes.
That's a good way to start.
I want to wake up a little earlier on weekdays.
Why is that important for you?
Because I feel less stressed when I have more time in the morning.
That makes sense.
I also plan to practice English every day.
That's a great plan.
Yes, even 10 minutes is enough.
Small practice every day is very powerful.
Next year, I will try to use my phone less before bed.
That's a healthy habit.
Yes, I want to sleep better.
Let me share my plans too.
Okay,
In the new year, I want to start my day more calmly.
how will you do that?
I plan to drink water, stretch a little, and take my time in the morning.
That sounds very peaceful.
Next year, I will focus on my health and balance.
That's very important.
Yes, I want to eat better, move more, and rest well.
Those are great goals.
Now, listeners, did you notice something?
What did you notice?
We used very simple English to talk about the future.
Yes, I want to. I plan to. Next year, I will.
These sentences are enough for real conversations.
Now, let's practice together.
In the new year, I want to be healthier.
I plan to practice English every day.
Next year, I will make small changes.
I will try to sleep better.
I want to feel calm and confident. These sentences can help you talk about your plans.
You can change them to match your life.
And remember, there is no perfect plan.
Just start and keep going.
In a moment, we'll review everything we learned and practice one last time.
Yes, and we'll say a warm goodbye.
So stay with us and keep listening. Now, let's take a moment to review what we talked about today.
Yes, we talked about the new year and how to plan it in simple English.
We learned how to talk about our goals and our plans.
We used easy sentences that you can use in real life.
I want to.
I plan to.
Next year, I will.
These 3 sentences are very powerful.
You don't need long grammar or difficult words.
Simple English is enough.
Now, it's your turn to practice.
Yes, you can practice right now with us.
Repeat after me. In the new year, I want to feel better.
I plan to make small changes.
Next year, I will practice English.
I want to be more confident.
I plan to take one step at a time. Very good. Take your time and repeat as many times as you like.
You can pause, rewind, and practice again.
Remember, New Year plans don't need to be perfect.
Small goals are easier to keep.
We hope this episode helped you feel more confident talking about your New Year plans in English.
Yes, you can use this English with friends, family, or at work.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe to Improve English Talk.
And share it with anyone who is learning English.
We'll be back soon with another calm, friendly English conversation.
Until next time, keep practicing and take care.
Happy New Year, and goodbye for now.
Bye, everyone.